The purpose of this video is to show you how to build a custom report using the blank layout, like this example customer review form. The blank layout consists of a large comment section with rich text formatting options. Now let's go through the steps to build a new Flex report. This feature is only available to system administrators. From the home screen, click on Flex Reports Templates under the Report section. Click Add Template and enter template name. Mark the template active or inactive. Lock or unlock the template. Unlocking the template will allow users to modify the template at a specific system. Enter optional disclaimer to show at the bottom of this report template. And select the security settings for this report template. For example, selecting the service report template will allow any users who can create a service report to create a customer review form. Click Next to proceed. Select the blank layout, then click Next to proceed. Toggle the buttons on and off to show report number, drive time, on-site time, or enable inventory. Enter optional placeholder text that will automatically appear on every report. Click Save to proceed. Once a Flex template is created, you can activate this new report template at any location under the client. Select the customer, facility, building, and system. Under the Report section, click Set up Report and select Flex Reports. To show all available templates, click on the Inactive Hidden button and activate the template you would like to use. Click Back Now you are ready to create a Flex report. Click on Create Report and select Flex Reports and select the desired Flex report template.